Back in April, Brixton Motorcycles announced its much anticipated entry into the Indian market, introducing four exciting models tailored specifically for Indian riders. And for those who may not be familiar, Brixton Motorcycles is a brand known for combining modern engineering with a neo retro style that appeals to both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts. Originally founded with European roots, Brixton has made its mark internationally with design that pay homage to classic motorcycling aesthetics while incorporating advanced features. Now, with its recent entry into the Indian market, Brixton aims to bring that unique blend of heritage and innovation to riders across the country. From stylish roadsters to rugged scramblers, Brixton motorcycles are crafted to capture the spirit of freedom and exploration. Partnering with KAW Veloz Motors, the British brand set out to establish a dedicated sales and distribution network across the country, aimed at delivering a unique range of motorcycles that resonate with the Indian audience. In addition, Brixton has also revealed plans to set up a local manufacturing facility in collaboration with Veloz to meet specific market requirements and streamline production in India. Now, Brixton has taken a significant step forward by opening pre-bookings for its first lineup, accessible via links on its social media. With a booking token of just 2,999, eager buyers can now reserve their slot for one of the distinct bikes. Brixton's initial lineup for India includes two powerful 1200cc models, the Cromwell 1200 and the Cromwell 1200X, alongside two 500cc bikes, the Crossfire 500X and Crossfire 500XC. All models are expected to officially launch in November, making Brixton's robust debut in India's thriving motorcycle market. Let's now look at what the Brixton Crossfire 500X and the Crossfire 500XC has got to offer. These two standout bikes are ready to make waves with unique styling and power. The Crossfire 500X sports a café racer look, giving it a street smart vibe, while the Crossfire 500XC is designed as a scrambler with an off-road edge, made to tackle more rugged terrains. Both the Crossfire variants are powered by a robust 486cc parallel twin engine, which is liquid-cooled and generates a solid 47 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque. Paired with the 6-speed gearbox, these models can reach an impressive top speed of around 160 km per hour, promising plenty of performance for both urban streets and open trails. With their distinctive styles and capable specs, the Crossfire 500X and 500XC are bound to cater to a variety of riding styles, from city cruising to light off-road adventures. Let's look at what the Cromwell 1200 and the 1200X have got. The Cromwell 1200 is a sleek roadster designed for urban cruising, while the 1200X is a versatile scrambler, built for those who love to take on rugged paths. Both the models are powered by 1,222cc twin-cylinder engines, delivering an impressive 82 horsepower and 108 Nm of torque, ensuring robust performance across various terrains. As flagship models, the Cromwell 1200 and the 1200X comes equipped with the premium components like KYB suspension. The 1200X off-road orientation provides even greater suspension travel, ideal for handling challenging terrain and adding versatility to the lineup. Designed at Brixton's Austrian design hub, these motorcycles are manufactured in the state-of-the-art facility by KAW Veloz in Kolhapur, Maharashtra. With a neo-retro style and high-performance spec, the Cromwell 1200 and the 1200X capture Brixton's dedication to blending heritage design with modern innovation, an approach that's resonating deeply in the premium motorcycle market. And that's not the only news we have. Brixton Motorcycles is also setting up dedicated manufacturing plants in Kolhapur, solidifying its presence in India. The brand is gearing to expand its footprint with showrooms planned in 13 cities across the country, which includes Pune, Mumbai, Thane, Nashik, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Cochin, Coimbatore, Ahmedabad, Surat, Panjim and Vapi. With this broad network, Brixton aims to connect with motorcycling enthusiasts nationwide, bringing the neo-retro bikes to riders in both metropolitan and regional hubs. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to RevExtreme and stay with us as we bring you the latest updates from your favorite motoring world.